Hello, I am Vikram Patel from Venus Industries and Products, Vadodara. See, our company is established in 1995 and we are in the field of manufacturing of sheet metal and press metal components along with press tools. We already have CNC press brake, but for expansion purpose, we bought another CNC press brake having size 110 ton by 3 meter with 7 axis CNC, and that was purchased during last year. Almost 1 year has passed and we are using continuously since last 1 year. So we have observed following things. Accuracy wise, we are achieving within 100 microns, and regarding angle, we are achieving within plus minus 10 minutes, and as such we are not facing any problem in the machine. But if some problems are there, we are calling to the company, we are getting the support say within 1 or 2 days. So after sales support is very good, and if we report the problems to the company, then they are supporting immediately. So as such, I can recommend that if somebody requires this machine, any CNC machine, press brake, so they can go to the S&T, and as per my experience, and I'm using other machines also since last 20 years, so I got accuracy and after sales support from this machine is very good.